Hello there and welcome to this video. In today's video we have a question which says 28 divided by bracket open 3 plus 4 bracket close times 4. So when we are following the PEMDAS rule, which is parenthesis first, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, we are going to do parenthesis first. So that's the 3 plus 4. So with that, we are going to get 7 for that one. And now we have 28 divided by the 7 times 4. Now we are solving from left to right. By solving from left to right, we can see that 28 can be divided by 7, which gives us 4. Now we are left with this 4 times 4. And our final answer will be no other than 16. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.